Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might, have this wish, I wish tonight. Different cultures have placed special significance on stars, whether that significance is mystery, or wonderment, or awe, or hope. Religious ceremonies, mythology, navigation, timing the harvest, making calendars, tie into the cultural history of nations around the world. In song, Madonna's "You Must Be My Lucky Star" refers to a loved one, while Metallica's "King Nothing" is a star of temptation that leads to devastation. I want that star, I want it now, I want it all, and I don't care how. What are the stars which millions have gazed or wished upon? Stars are in fact enormous spheres of plasma powered by fusion in their core. Intense temperature and pressure force the nuclei of atoms together, releasing tremendous light and energy for thousands or billions of years. The significant stars are sometimes the brightest, or the bluest, or the reddest. The North Star is not the brightest, it's not the most colorful, but it's the only star which maintains its position in our night sky, allowing travelers and seafarers to navigate. Now and then, the stars are supernova, the explosive deaths of stars far more massive than our own sun. The appearance of these temporary new stars has been recorded in history, like the one during daytime by Chinese and Arab astronomers 1,000 years ago. Yet sometimes the stars of significance are not even stars, but events quadrillions of times closer. Shooting stars are in fact made of rocks and ices ranging from the size of dust or buildings, burning from the friction of air molecules in the atmosphere. The matter that makes it to the ground reveals clues to how and when our planets formed, and guides our search for other planets where life may reside. Rarely, the star people see is in fact man-made. The fast-moving International Space Station, a glimmer of light easily outpacing the rising star of dawn. People that shine of this world share this variety and commonality. They lived hundreds of years ago, or are sitting next to you right now. They force you to confront what you do not want, leading to new understanding or deeper appreciation. They remind you of the direction you're heading, or where you came from, or where you mean to be going. They came from a continent, across the ocean, or from the next state over, or from your house, your dorm room. They are the result of a lifetime of experience, or a year of grief, or a day of triumph. Their charisma inspires cross-culturally, or their quiet friendship is forged through the pressure of tough times, or their hard work speaks to you, that you too can set goals higher than you ever imagined. When Williston students attend classes, do their homework and studies, practice, travel to games, rehearse, meet for group work, publicly speak, volunteer their time for a cause week after week, and still are so kind, so funny, so dedicated. Despite the difference of their origins, these people, these lights, bring mystery, wonder, awe, hope. There are an estimated 400 billion stars in our Milky Way galaxy, and 2 to 3 of those will explode as supernova this century. About 6,000 meteors will hit the ground, perhaps passing by one of the 2 space stations still functional and in orbit today. There are over 600 people who study, or teach, or coach, or cook, or clean, or secure, or administer at our school. At some point in time, perhaps last year, perhaps last week, perhaps next trimester, perhaps tonight, one of them will be a light to somebody somewhere in our world.